your About section should be very skimmable, and I'm going to show you this in the LinkedIn Recruiter interface. In your public-facing profile, your About section is accordioned shut, so there's only 3 or 4 lines that are visible. You want to make this a little bit of a teaser. Again, think social networking. Like, how are you going to make it a little clickbait? We want people to want to click on more. So mine says what I do. So it doesn't say job titles or anything. It gives a big, broad thing that I do that I am passionate about. And then I have this little header here with a little bit of a different font that says what I do with a ... Now, the ... wasn't put on there by me. That was put in by the platform. So now that I've clicked it open, which that was the clickbait, right? Oh, well, what do? You want people to be a little bit curious about that. Now I have this organized into short bullet points. You may not need multiple sections like this, but you're welcome to do multiple sections. I've done it this way because I'm advertising for a few different things. My LinkedIn profile is a marketing document, just like my resume would be. If you have multiple areas, let's say you have a leadership interest, and let's say you also have a business development interest or program management, you can make those all as headers. And then we put little short bullet points under there. So this is really a skimmable section, and this is written mostly for recruiters because I'll show you in my interface how important this section is and how it shows up for me, okay? At the bottom, I put a little call to action personally. You can put a little call to action. Let's connect. Or reach out if you're looking for, and then put a little about you. Reach out if you're looking for a passionate scientist who absolutely eats and breathes cell therapy. Something with personality. That is really an undervalued asset here in the About section. Then the other thing you can put in here is a top skills section. You can choose 5 keywords to sit right here. And we want to choose those quite strategically because they show up so prominently in your profile, and they are also searchable keywords.